Hi, I'm Becky Johnson with Sweetheart Quilt Design Company, and I'm so excited to show you this new pattern that's on our website. It's called Criss-Cross Stars. And a really fun thing about this pattern is that it tells you right in the pattern you can make it with 2 colors of stars, 3 colors, or 4 colors. So this one's the 2-color one. And I bought this cute little background fabric, but the rest of it I pulled out of my stash, which I love doing. If I take stuff out of my stash, then I know when I see something adorable at the quilt shop, I can go ahead and buy because it won't go to waste. So that's the 2-color one. And then here's the 3-color one. And I wanted to point something out to you here. You can see I had these adorable little animals, but they weren't big enough for the squares, so I framed them in. And there's directions in the pattern on how to do that. So that's the 3-color one. And then here's the 4-color one. And I did the same thing and framed those in. So anyway, it's a lot of fun to make. You can use from your stash, which I think I bought the border fabric and these and the background, and everything else came out of my stash. So it's a lot of fun. Anyway, find it on our website, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.